right now. This isn't real. This is a trick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my birthday.
What we turning?
18. But Mom, Lisa, and Lex decorated the living room for me, so this is my setup.
Come on, get up and show
I
them.
gotta get up?
Yeah.
Well,
She just got out of school, y'all.
I'm so tired.
She a little tired, but...
so this is the table.
Hold on. First of all,
Yes.
what is this we wearing? Fire. Look at that. That's what we're doing now when we turn 18.
What do you mean? I did something like this when I was 17.
All right.
They did a little table setup with the glasses and the cake. Ah.
Oh, I'm getting some of that.
Are you though?
Who did that cake for you?
Grand.
Gwen Jackson, throw your hand up.
Oh yeah. And yes, I love strawberry cake. Have it every year. I love strawberry cake. Then we got the whole black backdrop thing with the little lanterns. I love this part. This is great.
What's that? What part is that? The backdrop?
The backdrop and the lanterns, that was my favorite part. And then we got the presents table, which I'm excited because presents. I love presents.
Show them the presents table.
Yeah. That's what I got going, and we're gonna eat and open presents.
And of course, Dad
in a
get
few
left out
minutes.
from his contribution.
What did you do?
Oh wow, that's how they do.
You blew up all the balloons. Nobody told me that. I didn't know. No.
See how they do me?
That I didn't.
I'm
know.
putting you on blast in front of your fans, in front of your supporters.
That's not fair. I didn't know.
Tell them what I did.
said thank you.
Tell them what I did.
You blew up the balloons,
Show 'em,
and those
show
are
'em.
also
Yeah,
my
show 'em
favorite
show 'em how
part.
big
They're
that-
in there, and
I need my credit. Show them how big the balloon is.
They're huge.
Look at
How
that.
did you even do this?
Look at that. Look at that.
Did you do this all with your mouth, or did you have a pump?
And there was 25 of them.
Did you have a pump?
Don't worry about all that. I blew it up.
There was a pump.
Don't worry about it. I blew it
Yeah,
up. That's a lot of air that came out of me.
Yeah, we're gonna open presents in a few minutes, and then we're gonna eat. But yeah, this is what's going on today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, that sounded good. Happy to you. Your candles, and that's our favorite cake. Yay!
Smoky.
Gwen Jackson, you hook this cake up.
She hook it up every year.
Alright. So we again. There go Bibi.
Birthday to
He went.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday,
And Bibi.
Happy birthday to
To you. Yay! He love it. He just woke up from his nap. Alrighty.
Pick him up. Okay, I'll hand off.
So mom's gonna hand off.
Guys, in the chair.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like,
in the
what
front.
chair?
In the front. Mom gonna be the handoff to help you. You know.
Since Lana's not here,
Yeah.
may she rest. Not in peace, but just rest.
Oh yeah, hold on. She's trying to FaceTime Lana.
Ooh, there's a bug. Get it.
Oh, it was literally on his
It was
head.
on top of your
And
head.
you just gonna squish ball guts on my head,
Yeah.
messing up my waves.
Wait.
Y'all see my hair curly? Quit tripping.
Oh my god. That
Did
was
you call her?
Say it. What?
So we calling Lana right now. Is she picking up?
We're about to do the party part.
Party.
There we go. Do you want to call?
Come on.
Gifts in the house. Turn it around.
What about Lana?
All right, here we go.
Party.
That might be plus.
Party.
All right.
So there we go. Number one. Brandy,
This is from
Granny and
Granny
Papa.
and Papa.
Yeah.
Big day, big dreams, good friend, good. Oh, shoot. I can't read. Good friends, good times, great memories, great future. Oh. It's taped. Another year of incredible, amazing you. Now, that's something to celebrate. Happy birthday, Tony. Love always from Papa and Granny.
Yeah. I thought that was music playing. I'm sorry.
a
Okay.
gift card from somewhere.
Oh, they taped both sides. Dang, they was
I'm gonna do
thorough.
one of mine.
Jeez.
All right.
There we go.
Okay, wait, I got it.
So she got her gift card.
Happy
It's a shop.
birthday.
It's
It's
a
a
shop.
Walmart gift card.
Walmart gift card.
I can use it at Walmart and Sam's Club.
Yay.
Buy me them cheesecake bites.
Oh, or you can.
You're really throwing it.
I'm sorry.
And it's really good. Or replace my Fiji you done drunk up.
Huh?
Nothing. All right.
Not what bummer. Wait, is this from y'all?
That's yes, one of five.
Okay. That's what I thought. Yes.
What is it?
I got my own. Finally, I can stop using mom's and stealing it. Mom and
Body wash. Her Bath and Body Works. She wanted on her list. Her extensive
Dang.
list. It was.
At that point, I was just thinking of stuff.
Boo Boo said,
Thank
dang.
Dang. Gosh, dang. Dang.
This is Lisa Lex.
Both
Lisa
of them?
Lex.
Uh-huh.
Look at front face. I'm trying to see what they got.
Ooh.
Ooh, I love unique bags. This is so cute.
Hold it up.
This is going right in the collection.
Yeah.
Where'd you guys get this from?
That beauty store.
This is cute.
Huh?
Did she say Gucci?
GT.
Goop.
What's the GT store?
It's on the beach.
How much is this? How many was
30.
it? 30?
Was that candy?
I usually go for an even 50.
Straws? Oh, okay.
Sugar plate.
Oh, y'all did get me one.
you know what it is.
Show
It's
it.
the
That's
little
on Lana.
phone thingies.
It's the same thing on Lisa now.
How do you?
So that is this right here.
Cute.
That's why
The
I was like, why
beads.
didn't y'all get me one? Police said you wasn't there, and I was so upset. Not anymore. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
That's really
Who else has the
so
smiley
different.
face one?
Nobody.
Yeah, Lexi's is just
Oh,
flower
there's
smile.
flowers.
Yeah, I like this. This is really cute.
This is gonna be
That's so
coming to me.
different.
It is cute.
I like that. Yay.
long.
It's for when you put it on, when you have your phone in your hand.
And you don't be wanting to carry it.
Right. And you don't have no pockets.
What I just said, what did y'all wrap it on? The crack case?
Mhm.
Yeah.
You wrap it through between the hole.
Want to do grannies? Or at least
you want
what?
to finish leasing them?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is their other part of their gift. Lisa and Lex.
Trying to weigh it, see how much it weighs. Ooh. This wrapping paper is so nice. Where'd y'all get it?
Do you need help?
Yes. Clothes! Even though my closet and my drawers are at maximum capacity.
Bubble jeans.
Oh, the bubble jeans. They're cute. You roll the bottom up.
Ooh, they feel nice. What's
Man.
this?
You know, sweater.
Cardigan.
About to get cool.
Oh, it's so pretty. And I love the brown. I don't really
From
have
my
anything
sisters.
nude or brown.
So that was
This
Lisa
is
and Lex
good.
with the purse and all that together.
Oh, Lise, is that why you said you spent all your money?
Yes.
I said, Mom made me spend all my money. I said, Lise, you literally could have bought me a stick of gum.
I'm not spending all my money.
I told Lise that she could buy me a stick of gum and I'd be good with her as long as she get me something.
Mom literally forced me to spend all my money. Like I had no choice. I was so mad.
She was.
Spending all
Who is
my
this from?
money. Granny.
It's from Gran. All right.
She's. Oh.
Like a clown gonna pop out or something?
Yeah.
I want to take this out.
Take it out.
Do I have to? Yeah.
Hey!
Underwear.
Pink.
Hey. These are cute. Is this a bra? Why do you always do the toe girl thing? And 2 more pairs of underwear. Thank you, Grant.
That's from, where that's from?
Granny.
Pink? Oh, okay.
Yes. Oh, you
At least he put it
on.
on for her. All right. Yeah.
Once she
Oh,
said.
Granny got 2 more.
She said she wanted to
Grant
do
got 2
hers.
more. Grant got 2 more.
Okay.
Oh,
So yeah, I see what y'all did. Y'all put the wrapping paper.
This one.
I just say.
All right.
What's
Everybody
that?
has it. Really, Granny?
I was like, what is the significance? It's
Good.
more bras and stuff, but they're black.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Pink.
Oh, yeah.
These are cute. Yes, I like the black ones. I don't really have a lot of black ones. What is that?
Yeah.
No.
She said that's too grown for her right there. That's girl. Stay scared. You ain't never lied.
I was afraid. You got me new AirPods?
Ah.
Now I can stop using the ghetto ones. Yay! Thank you. Grant.
Now
I was like,
y'all-
why is she screaming?
Now y'all can all eat y'all food in silence.
It probably still won't
Like,
happen.
good. Next you can use mom AirPods.
Auntie Nina.
Auntie Nina. Auntie Nina.
Yes, another bag. I love this ruching that you guys got going on. This is so
Okay. Y'all was thinking of it. Okay.
Nicki Minaj, the Pink Friday scent.
Oh yeah.
Trying to have me smell it.
Ooh.
What is this? Ooh, creamy body highlight and liquid lipstick. Ah.
Yeah.
That's a good color too. That sepia color.
Oh, these are so cute. Yes. Ooh, is there more?
Yes.
What's that?
High pigment lip gloss, and
Okay.
there's still stuff in here. Dang, you
Wow.
was shopping. She was shopping.
Is that okay?
Is this a dress?
That's the whole outfit. Shoes and the
She says a whole outfit.
Oh
Hey!
You know me.
You know me. She always been. Me and her, we always been on the same wavelength.
That's from Bill, y'all. Oh, that's from Bill.
That's from Bill.
That's from Bill.
Sketchbook.
Yay!
That's pretty.
He's like, again.
That's from you.
Pom pom jumping.
Thank you.
Hey, he say, I want my gift back.
Thank you, Stink. Those are so cute. I like the little pom poms. What is
I
this?
put a water bottle in there to make it heavy. Fiji's not yours.
Look at him.
Guess I don't get the Fiji.
Well, it's not the gift, but you can have it.
You know, hey, compared to how expensive that water is, that is a gift.
Mom said she was gonna put a whole bunch of heavy stuff in boxes to throw you off, so she actually put water.
Mean. What is this for?
See, it's a lanyard, ID holder. Your school ID. Oh, you said you want a new lanyard.
Oh,
To put
yeah.
at the end of the
Yeah.
To put your ID in.
It took me a minute. Oh, these are cute. So I can get rid of that
The old
Navy Air Force
Navy Air
base.
Force.
Federal.
I look like I go to the base
Work
every
for the
day.
post office.
Work for the
I
post
know,
office.
right?
He took a cute.
Oh yeah, now I can
No,
really
you're out of the
replace
Navy.
it. I'm out of the Navy.
Oh,
That go on the bottom of
Faith, courage.
They go-
Oh,
No,
this is
you
so
can hold
cute.
these like when you have
On your
phone.
hand? Oh, okay.
But the thing go on the bottom of that for her No, Antoinette.
Yeah, you can do it.
Your
like-
lanyard. Put your ID in there.
Yes, the lanyard
Yeah.
goes.
On the bottom.
This goes on the bottom. of
Yeah.
that.
Yes. Oh yay, this is so
You
cute.
wear it
Thank
So
you,
she-
Mom,
Bill.
All right,
for
got
this
one more.
and the Fiji. Thank
You
you.
got 3 more boxes.
I got 3 more boxes.
4 more boxes.
What? You got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
He want it. These boxes are to throw her off.
Alright.
Those are.
They're the
Those are just
throw off
table
boxes.
boxes.
Yeah, just
They're all
table boxes.
I don't like that.
This is your last one. Stop moving, Lex.
I'm putting that her get
It's
that
in
one.
there.
You're lying. You're lying. You're a liar. You're a liar. You got me a car. I thought you were joking. You got me a car? I think this is just one of those little fake keychain things. I think that's what this is. Do I have to
Take your
go?
socks off.
Take my socks
It's
off.
wet outside.
Oh no, let's go look.
Y'all are lying to me. I know this is a trick. It's a trick. It's a trick. It's a trick. It's a trick. Oh my god, it's a trick. It's a trick. I'm scared. Oh my god, wait. No, y'all are lying. This is a trick. Look, I'm gonna press the keys and this gonna turn off.
That'd be so funny.
Oh my god,
Bill.
I start crying.
I'll never stop making fun of you for real.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all done got me a car for real.
I heard a car.
Y'all done messed around and got me a car for real.
Closed earlier. I was like, what everyone knows.
Answer that.
Thank you. Oh my god, this is insane. This ain't mine. This ain't mine. Oh my god, it's nice. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I can't function right now. This isn't real. This is a trick. It's so pretty. How do I do this? How do
It's
I-
push start. Just push the start button.
right here?
Yeah. Foot on the brake and push it. Woo!
What? Y'all done messed around and got me a car for real. What? I'm in shock. I don't believe this. Y'all done messed around and got me a car for real?
She don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do with myself. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
After you eat, you and Lisa Lex can go ride in and get some ice cream or something. Dairy Queen.
Y'all want to go to Starbucks? Yeah. I'll pay. Just kidding.
Her car.
I spent all my money on this. I'll pay for you right there.
Antoinette's brand new car.
My feet are so dirty. I'm about to cry. I can't stand it.
Josh, isn't it cute, love?
2021. She don't know what to do. She done forgot how to drive already. She done forgot how to drive. Antoinette driving her new car.